Hey there, I'm Caitlin, and I help our clients tackle really complex problems at the core of their business. Across Crowe, we are working to transform our business and that of our clients by using AI. Listen, I get it. AI can seem like a complicated and unclear thing, but at Crowe, we believe AI offers real-world opportunities to reduce process errors and increase efficiency by easing difficult data-driven decisions. One of the industries in which we've seen AI have the biggest impact is in manufacturing. As you know, decisions regarding material usage and production planning are rarely simple. Choosing how to allocate and divide raw materials, it may sound straightforward, but in practice, these everyday choices can make or break your margins. Choose wrong, and you drain your safety stock. You create unusable remnants, or you delay future orders. These are fast-paced, high-impact decisions made by production planners daily, and often without enough context or data, and almost always under immense pressure. Let's say your team needs to fulfill a customer request for 2 specific unit sizes, but you don't have either in stock. So your inventory is full of other sizes, but if you cut the wrong materials, that could wipe out your reserves, or leave you with waste that can't be reused. So what do you cut? How do you stay aligned with your inventory policies? Should you even take the order? These aren't questions that you want answered with guesswork. These questions are why we created a stock-to-stock nesting feature that can function as a decision optimizer specifically for manufacturing teams. AI optimizers like this one thrive on repeatable decisions by using known data. So why not have AI do the work to analyze your current inventory, forecasted demand, safety stock levels, and buyout penalties, and then recommend an optimized cutting strategy. That's exactly what stock-to-stock nesting does. It helps you maximize material yield while protecting your margins. Crowe optimization engines like this one can preserve inventory health and increase flexibility for future orders. By leaning entirely on data instead of tribal knowledge or gut feel, manufacturers using this tool have already avoided stock outages and significantly reduced scrap. Thanks to the way that AI tools are built, your team can get instant, transparent recommendations. If your team is still making these kinds of decisions manually or relying on fixed rules, you are leaving money and material on the table. With stock-to-stock nesting, every decision is backed by intelligent, system-driven optimization that's embedded right into your daily workflow. We'd love to explore how an optimization engine could help your production planners. Feel free to visit our AI transformation homepage or reach out to one of our team if you'd like to learn more.